All right, what up, y'all? Let's get drunk with y'all. Today, I'm finna show Tay how to make some punch. We just finna get started.
Let's go.
So, Tay, the first thing you're gonna do, we're gonna start with our fruits. So we got some pineapples and some oranges.
Okay.
And all you're gonna do, y'all, toss it on in there, just like that. Start what we starting with?
Some rum.
Some rum. And y'all, this is very simple. Just get your liquor, pour it in there.
Rest in peace to all our guys that ain't here no more. You know, rest in peace.
Yep, absolutely. For all of y'all that are seeing this video, we using cheap liquor. So this is a jungle juice.
Exactly.
Got some vodka. Pour that on in there. Then we have some triple sec liquor. Get that in there. Then some gin. Then we have some sangrias. We're gonna start off with a pineapple sangria, because like I said, this is gonna be more of a tropical flavored jungle juice. And once again, you can use any brand of sangria or liquor that you want. This is just what I picked up from the local store yesterday. Next is a watermelon sangria. You just pour that in there. Some pink lemonade flavored vodka. We're using Pink Whitney. I know that's really for the ladies, because for some reason ladies love Pink Whitney.
For some odd reason.
Yeah, I don't know why. Just pour it away. And the last of the alcohols, we have some malt Smirnoffs here. We have peach mango and what's that other flavor?
Screwdriver?
Screwdriver.
Yep.
And, yep. And you can use any flavor of these you want, but this is what we're using today. We're gonna start off with some lemon lime soda. You can use any brand of soda you want, just like the liquors. We are using this generic. Oh shit. That's okay, y'all. It's clean. I am cleaning everything. So lemon lime soda, and then start with some Sunny D. This is the tangy original Sunny D. So start with that. And Tampico. I'm gonna just pour that in there. Last, Minute Maid. So we're using berry punch and mango punch. I'm gonna just take some spoons and stir it on up. Stir that sucker up just like that. Then after you get a nice good stir, get it all good and mixed in. Don't be scared of it. Whip it mixed in. Get your styrofoam cup and enjoy.
Let's get the Jaws reaction to it.
Oh yeah.
That's it.
That's money. Thanks for getting drunk with y'all.
Exactly, y'all. But before y'all go, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. All right.
Peace.
Peace.